The latest YouTube statistics show the platform has more than 2 billion users. There's more than 48 hours of video uploaded every minute. And nearly 1 billion people watch videos on the platform every day. There's plenty to gain by using video to drive traffic to your website and improve conversions. Here's how you can use this to enhance your business. 1. Get people involved. This is one way of driving traffic to your website is through videos. They offer great interactivity and can be made fun and memorable to engage the viewer. It's ideal for online marketers who are lacking in branding ability. But not everyone has the capability of making the video look like an advertisement. 2. Show people what you do. Videos are a great way of letting people know what you do. It's ideal for people who don't like having reminders on what products they should buy. It can be used for giveaways, too. 3. Keep it simple. People usually don't have a lot of patience when it comes to videos. It's not easy to create something that intricate. But it's doable and is perfect for those on a tight budget. There's video editing software and a software that lets you create your videos instantly. 4. Make it easy to learn. For online marketers, making the process of getting started easy is very important. Video marketing is ideal for those who hate reading. It can teach people how to do simple things easily. The list above is not exhaustive. It's only a list of ways video marketing is great to enhance businesses. But there are a lot more. And the more you know, the better you'd be able to use this to benefit your business. By using video marketing to enhance your business, you'll have many more consumers and be able to increase your conversion. And if you make your videos fun, funny, informative, and engaging, more people are sure to watch and spread your videos on social networks, boosting traffic to your website. It's very simple. Just get started with video marketing and make things easy to learn. Believe me when I tell you, it's fun and it's easy. This video and audio presentation was created using a simple text file with the simple-to-use video creation software. Try the software for yourself. Get 14 days free trial. Click the link in the description.